take this knife back to your quarters and kill them.
Why are you saying all this to me now? I'm sorry about Zhongbei.
Yes, sir. That isn't you. You're a good person at heart.